to the lecture series, and now today we will be discussing a very important topic in economics, and that is effect of tax on consumer and producer surplus. Okay, so first of all, if you draw the diagram of demand and supply, right, this is price, right, this is the supply, and this is the demand, and this is quantity. So initially what was happening? This was happening, that was Q1, right? The equilibrium was P1 and the quantity, equilibrium quantity was Q1. Now what will happen, right? What is the effect of tax? Basically, if you put a tax, the supply will decrease, right? In general, the supply will decrease, right? So we will be showing a parallel shift, right? A parallel shift in the supply curve, and I am showing it by another color so that you guys may understand this. This becomes S plus T. Now when this becomes S plus T, what will be the new equilibrium? The new equilibrium price has increased, has risen to this point, and the quantity has decreased to Q2, price has increased to P2. Right, P has decreased, P has increased and Q has decreased. Now if we divide them, right, if we divide them into sections, this is one, right? Now this section till this point, this whole thing, right, this whole rectangle, this is 2. Okay, now there are 2 sections over here, so I am denoting this as 5, this is 6. If we are going downwards, it is cutting over here as well, so I am just drawing a box. Okay, so this is 3, and if I draw this, if I extend this thing, if I extend this line, okay, so this is 4. So now there are how many sections? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this whole triangle is broken into this 5 and 6. There are 6 sides, right? So we will be looking at the impact before tax, right? Consumer surplus or CS was what? If we look at this line, so it was 1 plus 2 plus 5, this whole section till here. That's why it's a gray part, right? Gray line. This is the consumer surplus. What was the producer surplus before? Producer surplus, this section. So it was 3 plus 4 plus 6. Now what happens after tax? After tax, consumer surplus has decreased to what? Now only this portion. This is the blue line. Only one. And what happens to producer surplus? Producer surplus is only 4, only this part. Now what is being taken by the government? This is taken by the government, right? 2 and 3. So what is taken by the government? 2 plus 3. And what is the dead weight loss? What is the deadweight loss? This 5 plus 6 is the deadweight loss that goes to nothing. That means it is the loss that is made by the, it is the overall loss to the economy, right, of taxes. So this diagram has been tested again and again in all types of economic exams, right? Effect of tax, right? So all you have to do, you have to first draw this line and do it like this, like I have done over here, and show it like before tax. What was the consumer surplus? What is the producer surplus after tax? Because the consumer surplus is reduced, producer surplus is reduced. What is the government going to take? It is taking 2 plus 3. What is the deadweight loss? Deadweight loss is 5 plus 6. The whole, or you can say this triangle. This triangle is the deadweight loss. Okay, this is the end of the session. Hope you guys have understood this one.